Welcome to Lay's Kitchen. Today I'm making a harvest salad for lunch. Start with my La Scala vinaigrette. It's a glue. After adding all the ingredients in a mason jar, shake to mix and taste to adjust. Prep veggies by cutting cucumber, fresh strawberries, and red onion. Next, watch me build the layers. Crisp romaine and peppery arugula base. Fridge veggies for the crunch. Add cucumber, strawberry, Julienne purple carrot. Costco chicken bites for protein. Not much extra work besides cutting into smaller pieces. Red onion slices. Add the cheese layer. Swiss, raspberry goat cheese, and Parmesan. Cheese streams to round out the savory, sweet and creamy, and umami. Top with dried cranberries and pumpkin seeds. Dress last. Toss and dig in. Flavors without borders. This is a midweek win under 15 minutes. Thanks for watching Lay's Kitchen, where flavors are without borders.